What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. Check it out, my new website. So today's video is going to be, how do you succeed on Teespring in 2020? What are the steps to take? I've been putting out these videos now, but I'm still getting a lot of the same questions on what do you do to succeed? Why isn't my store succeeding? I'll actually dive into a couple of the questions I've got in my comment section, so stay tuned for that. Make sure that I answer your questions. And by the way, thanks for everyone who keeps liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, and commenting their questions and engaging with me. I'm really loving this, building up the community. So keep doing that, guys. Keep hitting subscribe if you're new. And let's dive into today's video, and I'll cover how to be successful on Teespring in 2020. All right, guys, so steps to being successful on Teespring. If you've been following along, you're gonna know a few of these, but one, you should download Typorama and be using that up to make good quality t-shirt designs. So if your designs are no good, they're not gonna sell. So how do you know if a design is good? Go and look up popular designs that you can model, and then check out the text that they're written in, and then go ahead and create designs that are in a similar text with a similar phrase, and market to the same audience. Like that, it's really as simple as that. If it can work for someone else, it can work for you. All right, so the next thing is building up your social medias and being consistent. So it's one thing to be have the social medias there and start driving traffic and then give up after a week because you haven't made any sales. But can you be there for week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and be consistent and keep driving traffic to these listings? That's the real question. So my big thing is, let's say you've got a Facebook page and an Instagram page, you should have those linked together. So you only have to post on Instagram for it to post on both, like I've shown you guys in these videos. Then from there, you're gonna be driving traffic. So you should be posting 3 times a day, every day, and driving traffic to your listings and researching hashtags, checking out what's working for the competition, and then doing your own similar version. All right, guys, so I'm just here looking through the comment section on the laptop, as you can see, and responding to your comments, but I thought I'd read out a couple here. So Wow TV has posted, I uploaded more than 200 designs the last 2 months, but I cannot get any sales. But I'm not giving up. This is on my Teespring failure video that I posted the other day, so I hope you guys check that out. But I'm not giving up. I'm still uploading 2 designs every day. And then he's just talking about enjoying the content, etc. So big thing here, guys. I love this mindset. This is something that I was talking about with Scotty, who's another subscriber, responding to his comment the other day about not giving up as well, because this is what it's like as an entrepreneur. You're going to be tested. So there's going to be heaps of times where you want to give up. Like, let's talk about like me building this website at the moment. So it's not getting much traffic, but I know from experience that if I just keep being consistent, posting these good articles and building it up over time, that I'll be able to get more and more traffic there. So you've got to play the long game with being an entrepreneur. Everyone wants the instant like gratification or success, because so many people post about that on YouTube. Like the YouTube ads you'll probably see before this video will be people popping up with Ferraris that they've rented, Lamborghinis that they've rented, in huge mansions that they don't even live in. And they're just, there's so much BS out there that everyone wants to take someone's course and then they're going to be a millionaire because this guy said so. If you look up a lot of these guys that are on YouTube and Instagram and all that, and they're posting all this sort of stuff, if you actually put in the word scam after a lot of them, you'll see that a lot of them have been exposed. So there's a lot of noise out there in the entrepreneur space, and then it's very good for selling courses, etc. And by the way, I'm not against courses, like go for it. But my point is, some people get into being an entrepreneur. So like, let's say the print on demand niche, like we're talking about here, and they just think that they're going to be successful straight away. But like I'm replying to this guy here, and I did say to Scotty in that the other day, you've just got to push through. It's the main thing. So I just thought I'd chuck this in here and just say that to you guys. Alright guys, so let's look at this next question, comment, which is from Tom Snelders. Hi Bodhi, you're creating valuable content and I recognize my story and what you were telling here. Try something for a couple of weeks, months, and then try something else. I've tried almost everything and I'm now putting my teeth into print on demand. I just started with this and I'm dedicated to make this a success. Maybe you could review my store and IG page in a future video. So if you guys are interested in me reviewing stores and things like that, you know, comment below and let me know. I'll do it if you guys are interested, but I'm trying to make these videos like beginner friendly so everyone can follow along and it's interesting for everyone because you're getting practical tips. But if you guys would find it interesting for me to review some people's stores, I'm happy to do that. Alrighty guys, so just for the end of this video, I thought I would just do some live t-shirt research. So just show you how it's done. So if we just go to Google Trends, which is something I've shown you guys, and let's just go with a niche like yoga, that's an easy one. So yoga shirt, and then look at the trend over time. So the trend over time is looking pretty good. That's just for the United States. So if we go worldwide, and you can see it's very consistent, and there'd probably be a drop off, you would think, at the moment because of everyone sort of working out at home, but it might be rising back up. So anyway, that's a nice consistent trend there. You know, we could dive into it further, but let's just go over to Etsy. So Etsy.com, this is one of the best places for checking out shirts and whether they're any good for research. So yoga shirt, keep it nice and basic. And then we're going to look at what sort of shops are doing well here. So you've got Namaste in Bed. Let's just open that in a new tab. Inhale, exhale. Butt First Yoga. So let's open that in a tab. And we're just generally going down. Downward Human. So that's a dog niche sort of one. And that's just got that sort of yoga design on the back. Very basic to get that made, guys, or you could make it yourself pretty much. And so, like, look at this one, just breathe. Very basic. This is looks like a French bulldog. Yep. And you would just go down, have a look, and open up these stores, and then go for a look through their designs. So let's just go with the ones that we've got open. Namaste in Bed, and we're just gonna check out. So they got 2,484 shop reviews. Reviews for this item are just here, so you can check out the reviews and see what people are saying about them. And obviously from this you can check out the feedback and see if there's anything that you can pick up on what you could do better with the product. So that's always a good way to do your research as well. So as you can see, with most of these designs, they're so basic. They're just basic as. But let's just click on this and then have a look. And so it's going to tell you how many sales total. You can go through here and check out all their shirts. So you can get all sorts of ideas. You might start with like the yoga niche, and then you might end up with like some other idea here. So that's what's good about Etsy. So Butt First Yoga. Let's go over to this store and have a look. And then we're just going to go through, and then again, you would just go along here and then check out all the different sort of t-shirts and see which t-shirts are doing well, and then research them in other places. Research the term like Namaste in Bed. You could research on eBay. You could do research on Facebook. Just search up all the posts of people selling those shirts. And it's really as simple as that, guys. You could look on Instagram. You just got to look around the internet. You could look on Google shopping ads. So if we just go Google, and we just go Namaste in Bed shirt, and then we just go shopping, and then you can see all these different places that are selling the same thing, and you can check out their designs, make your own version, and yeah, simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like for me, and make sure you hit that subscribe